March 14, 2023, a US Navy fighter jet was on a routine patrol over the Pacific Ocean until a sudden voice crackled over the radio, urgent, shaken. The aircraft's infrared camera locked onto a strange heat signature, moving fast, defying the laws of physics: no wings, no visible propulsion. Yet it was outrunning anything in the sky.
Government could not say for certain what is in this video, but it is something physically going by the window.
Mr. Bray, can you describe what we're looking at? What are we observing?
It's reflective in this video, somewhat reflective, and it quickly passes by the cockpit of the aircraft.
It is significant that the government is saying that they are in fact real and that they are in fact unexplained.
The object darted in sharp zigzag patterns, then stopped mid-air, hovering in complete silence. This footage was later confirmed by the Pentagon as authentic, unexplained but real. They called it a UAP, unidentified aerial phenomenon.
UAP sightings come from aircraft. So there are some who believe that this alien technology is surveilling humans and is targeting aircraft as a means to explore and study the technology here on Earth.
Military analysts estimated the object was moving faster than Mach 5. That's faster than most missiles known to man. But speed wasn't the only mystery. It was how this thing moved, appearing and vanishing, as if physics simply didn't apply. The real question is no longer, are they real? But rather, what do they want? And how long have they been watching us?
Were you going to drone?
We definitely do not see the wings or any of the control surfaces that you should see in a fixed-wing drone or airplane. And then in terms of a rotary wing drone or helicopter, we don't see the rotors. Cubes and balls don't fly. So to me, the only type of objects that are airborne that really could match that description would be balloons.
So could this be a balloon? The Pentagon claimed the wreckage found at Roswell in 1947 was part of a military operation using high-altitude balloons. Believers questioned that explanation. So if it's not a plane or balloon, does this mean we've eyes on top and secret technology? That would be extremely unlikely, because this comes from the Office of Naval Intelligence, and you wouldn't publicize their top secret technology. So, if it's not ours, is it coming from somewhere further away, like outer space? It doesn't match our flight physics. My opinion, anything is on the table till it's not. Could be an alien, who knows, but it's definitely unknown, and so it's really intriguing. February 2023, Alaska. A man was recording the night sky when he spotted a strange light in the distance. The object hovered for a few seconds, then suddenly shot off. Silent, fast, and without any trail.
Trying to figure out what this was, I took my eye off the viewer and noticed that I couldn't see it by the naked eye. It was only through the camera lens that you could see this, which also was intriguing.
Similar to a lot of the theories that exist around the Bermuda Triangle, random gateways to other worlds will open up, or wormholes will occur, and planes will go missing into them.
A stunning 16,000 people have reportedly vanished in so-called Alaska Triangle since the late 80s. Field researcher Ken Gerhardt has actually been up here to research such activity.
Some of the stranger cases that I've investigated, back in 1950, for example, a Douglas C-54D military craft, an airplane with 44 personnel on board, vanished on the Alaska-Yukon border without a trace. And there was a massive search mounted, and to this day, no trace of that particular airplane has ever been found.
It didn't look like a plane or a satellite. Witnesses described it as a glowing triangle, shifting between red and blue. Several locals saw the same thing, but radar picked up nothing. The video quickly went viral, sparking debate. Was it a secret military drone, a trick of the light, or something? Not from this world?
Lights like this could in fact be geological or electromagnetic discharges from the Earth, basically concentrated energy beams that are being projected upward into the heavens.
I really do want to know what this is. There's just so many strange phenomena that happens here.
Key West, Florida, and Helsinki, Finland, 2025. A UFO was accidentally caught on camera by a passenger on a plane in flight, and it starts with just a light in the sky. Small, distant, almost nothing. Then it moves. Fast, too fast for a drone. Too smooth for any aircraft we know. No wings, no sound. Just a glowing shape dancing through the clouds. Some say it's a trick of the camera. Others, they were there, and they saw it, with their own eyes. The footage speaks for itself. No explanation, no answers, just questions that keep piling up. Whatever this is, it wasn't made here.
Glaube ich nicht daran, sondern ich bin 100%ig davon überzeugt, dass wir nicht die Einzigen sind. Das wäre ja ein Höhenwahnsinn, ein Größenwahnsinn, sich einzubilden, dass ausgerechnet auf dem i-Tüpfchen Erde intelligente Wesen wohnen. Ich hatte Gelegenheit, an 3 Nachdemonstrationen teilzunehmen. Ich konnte die Landesspuren besichtigen und fotografieren. Ich habe auch die Erlaubnis bekommen zum Fotografieren und ich hatte verschiedene andere Erlebnisse, so wie viele andere Zeugen auch. Es gibt an die 2 Dutzend verschiedene Zeugen, die im Rahmen dieser Kontakte mit Willy Meyer und den Außerirdischen verschiedene Erlebnisse verbuchen können.
High above the Switzerland, 1994. A silent light moved through the sky. No engine, no wings, no explanation. It hovered for nearly a minute. Then vanished, like it was never there. Locals reported the same thing. A white sphere, glowing, then gone. Military radar, nothing. Aircraft logs, empty. And yet, dozens saw it. What was it doing out there? In the freezing night, above mountains, no plane dares cross in silence. Mexican Secretary of Defense releases the video so that the scientific community can study it. MJ Benillas, a journalist who covers the unexplained, has looked into the incident.
When this sighting was first made public, a lot of people within the UFO community got very excited about UFOs operating
In 2004, over the skies of Campeche, Mexico, military pilots were on a routine patrol when something unexpected appeared. Using infrared cameras, they recorded 11 bright objects flying at high speed. These lights were not visible to the naked, Samawai, only through thermal sensors. The objects moved in formation, sometimes vanishing, then reappearing in different positions. No engine noise, no radar detection. The pilots were stunned. They had never seen anything like it before.
There's a real video of UFOs. It was taken by the Mexican military and verified as being a real thing.
The footage was later released to the public, sparking debate around the world. Was it a military test, a natural phenomenon, or something beyond our understanding? Until today, no official explanation has been given, just questions and one unforgettable video. In 1969, Mulinahone, a village near Carrick-on-Suir in Ireland, was the site of reported UFO sightings. Something strange was caught on camera. A flying object, fast, silent, and completely unexplainable. It didn't move like a plane. It didn't behave like a drone. And yet, it was there. Local witnesses say the object appeared without warning, hovering above the horizon. No sound. No flashing lights. Just a glowing shape moving smoothly through the sky. Was it a secret aircraft? A trick of the light? or something not from this world. As more people look to the skies, one thing is clear. Encounters like this are becoming harder to ignore.